everybody. How you do? How you doing? Well, today, guess what I have? I have a broom. I've got it for 3 cities, and today I'm going to sweep this place up. Why? Because it's cheaper, and not only it's very efficient. I didn't realize how efficient it was until I used it. Okay, because I needed it. Why? Because the debris here, the plastic, the discarded foils and plastics and all that are always going on about. Okay, so I got this broom because of the debris that flies about here. All right, and so I decided to take this and sweep the front and here for the meantime, so that it doesn't accumulate, dirt doesn't accumulate, or dust, or even the debris here. I'll show you in a minute. This is what I mean. Do you see that? Okay, here you see all these debris. All right, they fly right around, okay, to everywhere, and all these places right in front, okay, of this place. Right, it flies, and all the bottles, the empty bottles, and all these, okay, discarded plastic goes straight here for some reason. You see here, and these ones, okay, so when the wind blows, it just picks them up and straight to the office. Do you see here? So if the debris here and here and there, so it causes the value of this place to actually go down. All right, so people are able to walk through here. I had my laptop right there, and somebody came quietly, right, and walked through here and came right here. They came right through here, and bam. And I was standing right there, and I'm like, oh my God, how did you get to here? And they said, well, I walked through this door. I'm like, oh my God, and I have my laptop here, and so it's unprotected, all right? And so this is one of the vulnerabilities that I have to watch out for. So maybe after the roofing, this is what I'm gonna do. We would have to put some bars, okay, iron bars or some pillars, maybe 1, 2, 3 here, okay, to protect us, so that it will prevent, it will be a natural protectant for or kind of something like a security to guard against intruders, or somebody, a wanderer, or somebody who's begging, or somebody I give, or somebody who is coming to cause harm or trouble, right? Or simply to be tempted to take something away.